In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this center console tray on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. If you have the cup holders here, you can just grab the cup holders and just pull those out. Just pull straight up. And then grab the tray and just pull it up. If you have to, if it's stuck in there real tight, you want to get some trim tools and get around the edges. Otherwise it pulls right up and then it slides out. There's a couple tabs right there and right there. And it just has push pins holding it down. So it pops right up. Take the new tray, we're gonna slide those tabs in and then push it down. Slides right in like that and then locks in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.